Have you ever wondered how to share your location on iPhone? Briefly explain that sharing your location can help you stay connected with friends and family. This can also make your appointment more convenient and accurate. Sharing your live location will help those around you feel closer to you and is also a way for them to ensure your safety. Turn it on. Step 1. Open a chat in Messages or Maps. Step 2. Tap the plus button, then tap Location. Step 3. Send your current location as a snapshot. The opposite user will click on it to see your specific location. Step 4. Share your ETA. In Maps, share your estimated time of arrival, ETA, while navigating. This shares your live location and all the stops along your route. Highlight how useful this feature is for coordinating meetings or letting someone know when you'll arrive. Alternative. Register. Use check-in messages to automatically notify trusted contacts when you arrive or complete an activity. Customize what details they can see. Emphasize that check-in doesn't automatically share your location. That's when there are unexpected delays. Encourage viewers to try it out and stay connected. We always update good technology tips to send to everyone. Hopefully, everyone's questions about technology will be answered. Thanks for watching and see you soon.